Hey guys, we found out we got our walls totally sturdy. They are not coming down. They will not come down right now. But right now we're getting a clown house counter built. We're sawing some stuff. Yeah, so getting that, and then we're gonna get the walls. You see these posts going all the way down? That's where the walls are gonna be for the asylum down here. So, hey guys, we're getting more walls up. Got the tarps. We got this one more sturdier, so it will not come down. We got the blood sheet up when you're entering into the blood shed room or whatever. And then we got that table. We just decided to nail it. Sturdy.
Sturdier than hair.
So yeah, getting the start up.